how to send a PDF file in email. This is what you will learn in this tutorial. Step by step instructions. Step 1, open your Gmail account or any other email and click on to this compose tab. So it will open up a new message. Here you need to add the recipient name, the subject heading, and you need to write your message. Once you have completed the draft email, then you need to go to the next step where you would find this paperclip like icon somewhere here. You need to click that to add or attach your PDF file. So a new window will open where you need to browse the place where your PDF file is there. I would highly recommend that if you're not familiar with the Windows or how the computer operates, keep it on your desktop. Click here, find the folder, and select the file that you want to attach. Select it and then click open, and it will take a few seconds or a minute depending upon the speed of your internet. And once it is uploaded, you will see the PDF file name here along with the kilobytes depicted. Once it is being loaded, you will see a progress bar here. Once the progress bar is replaced by the amount of KBs or the size of the file, which means that your file has been attached. So once it is done, you just need to press the send button, and this is how you can send your PDF file in a Gmail or an email. Sometimes it happens that once you send your file, it is going to initially go into the outbox. So till the time it is in outbox, your file has not been sent, your email has not been sent. So in order to make sure that the email has been dispatched, you need to click onto the sent items and confirm that the same email has been dispatched.